Hi, and welcome to Philly Box Breaks. We're breaking box number 5 of 12 of the Elite case. This is a listing for the Winnipeg Jets, which ended on May 7th at approximately 2 o'clock. No. Yeah, 2 o'clock Pacific time. We'll get started. I'll show you a list of all the buyers' names and a timestamp from my cell phone to show that this is going on after the auction. You'll see it's May 8th at 2:35 p.m. And here's a list of all the buyers for this box. Thank you to everybody who purchased. And good luck to everyone. Oh, this is box number 5. Serial number is NE99247791. Alright, let's get started. Checklist. $20 packs. An empty box. First pack, we have an Aspirations die cut of Devin Setoguchi for the Minnesota Wild. And 4 base. Second pack, we have 5 base. Third pack, we have a spacer. And we have a rookie card for Alan York of the Columbus Blue Jackets. That card is numbered 913 out of 999. And 4 base. Next pack, we have an autographed rookie of Eric Condra, the Ottawa Senators. And that card is not numbered. And 4 base. Next pack, we have an Aspirations die cut of Corey Schneider for the Vancouver Canucks. And 4 base. Next pack, we have 5 base. And we have a prime numbers jersey from the Los Angeles Kings. Number 147 of 358 of Anze Kopitar. So that card is actually 1 of 100. Or 1 of 300, I'm sorry. 1 of 300. There's 300 jerseys, 50 autographs, and 8 autographed patches. Next pack, we have a spacer. And a gold Aspirations die cut, numbered out of 99, of John Sebastian Giguere. And that is number 4 of 99. And 4 base. Next pack, we have a Stars card for the Colorado Avalanche of Matt Duchene. That card is not numbered. And 4 base. Next pack, we have an Aspirations die cut of Evgeny Malkin for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And 4 base. Next pack, we have an Elite Series for the Tampa Bay Lightning of Steven Stamkos. That card is not numbered. And 4 base. Next pack, we have a Spacer. And 5 base. Next pack, we have a rookie card for the Chicago Blackhawks of Marcus Kruger. That is numbered 998 of 999. Next pack, we have 4 base. We have an Aspirations die cut of Teemu Selanne for the Anaheim Ducks. And we have a New Breed jersey for the Detroit Red Wings of Brendan Smith. And that card is not numbered. Next pack, we have another autographed rookie. It's 2 in this box. For the Winnipeg Jets, it is Paul Postma. And that card is not numbered. And 4 base. Next pack, we have a Spacer. 5 base. Next pack, we have a rookie card for the New York Rangers of Cam Talbot. That card is numbered 192 out of 999. And 4 base. Next pack, we have an Aspirations die cut of Mark Giordano for the Calgary Flames. And 4 base. Next pack, we have a Rookie Stars for the Philadelphia Flyers of Matt Reed. And that card is not numbered. And 4 base. Almost left a base card. Next pack, we have a Spacer. And 5 base. And the last pack. We have an Elite Series for the Edmonton Oilers of Mark Messier. Alright, now I'll run through and I'll random off all of the base cards from the box. I'm going to move all the teams that got a hit. It's the Edmonton Oilers, Philadelphia Flyers, Calgary Flames, the New York Rangers, the Winnipeg Jets, the Detroit Red Wings, the Anaheim Ducks, the Chicago Blackhawks, Tampa Bay Lightning, Pittsburgh Penguins, Colorado Avalanche, the LA Kings, the Vancouver Canucks, the Ottawa Senators, Columbus Blue Jackets, and the Minnesota Wild. Alright, I'll now randomize the list 3 times. Team on top after the third randomization gets all the cards. After 1, it's the Washington Capitals. After 2, it's the Stars. And the third time, it is the Boston Bruins. So the Boston Bruins will win all the base cards from the box. I'll run through the hits one more time real quick. It was an Aspirations die cut of Devin Setoguchi. A rookie of Alan York for the Columbus Blue Jackets. An autograph rookie of Eric Condor for the Ottawa Senators. A Corey Schneider Aspirations die cut. The prime number jersey of Anze Kopitar for the Los Angeles Kings. The gold Aspirations die cut of J.S. Giguere for the Avalanche. The Matt Duchene Stars card. The Evgeny Malkin die cut. The Stamkos Elite Series. The Mark Kruger rookie. The Solani die cut. The Brendan Smith New Breed Materials. The Paul Postma autograph rookie. The Cam Talbot rookie. The Giordano die cut. The Matt Reed rookie Stars. And the Mark Messier Elite Series. Thanks everybody for your purchase. Hopefully we'll see you at our other breaks. We got 5 more boxes going off between tonight and tomorrow. Thanks again for purchasing, and hopefully we'll see you again.